this zip code, you're not expected to succeed. And knowing the struggle and how limited the opportunities were here in my own city, I really wanted to make an impact.
The best way she empowers me is she just sets an amazing example. She wants us to be the absolute best people we can be.
She's not just a coach. She's like someone who's trying to shape us into becoming women.
Up, move. Good work. Up. Good. Let's go. Let's go. Push. There we go, Kira. Look at that. Ah! What is that? Oh my.
The tournaments we're doing are worth it. The scouts don't come here. You have to go to them. If we didn't do them, these girls would have to find something else to get them out of here. San Diego, come in focused. We're not gonna play perfect. Basketball is a game of mistakes. But if we try to limit them, we'll be successful. My team faces financial struggles every year. Right now, we're trying to go to San Diego. We leave on Saturday and we're $1,000 short. So we fundraise our butts off to pay for the hotels, the rental vans, the gas. Basketball literally gives people a chance, really opens doors. The rewarding part, it's seeing them graduate from high school, to see them graduate where all the odds are put up against them. So I empower these girls to go out and break that stigma.
We have snack bags. Marissa.
Marissa's here.
Snack bag.
Snack bag.
Snack bag.
Are we ready? Are we ready?
Work on three. 1, 2, 3. Work.